And so step 4 here will be to extrude that rectangle that we created, and it's important to make sure that you created the rectangle on the bottom of the skateboard, not on the top. And so check that. If you did, you can use the undo button to get back to where you were, flip it onto its bottom, and create the rectangle on the bottom. So make sure again that the rectangle is on the bottom. Now we're going to extrude that rectangle, which means to give it some depth or make it thick. And we want a thickness of 0.25. So come over here. We have our sketch 4, which is this larger rectangle that we just created here, selected. We want to extrude it. And we want an extrusion of 0.25. And there's other settings I think we need to check. We need to make sure that it's a new extrusion, not an add. And so let's do that. So there's options here like add, remove would be to take it out, or like cut a hole. This is a new extrusion, so this is a new part going on here, not something that we are adding to what already exists. Okay, and so we hit the checkbox. Oops, and I accidentally selected the holes. So you can see that I made a mistake. I'll fix that. Let's go back to sketch 4, which was the sketch of the rectangle there. Let's extrude it. 0.25. And now we've got and that was set up as add. I got to make sure it's new. So there's lots of things to check in this step. Be careful with this one. So there we go. That's what it should look like. We should have a gray pad underneath our skateboard now. That's 1/4 inch thick. For me, this step was tricky. I hope that if you're having difficulty that this video is helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day.